In today's video, we are going to show you how to complete your profile on Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. If you haven't completed your profile on Exness, you will see a notification that you need to accomplish that because completing your profile is an important step that would help you verify your identity, unlock account features such as deposits, and ensure you can trade and withdraw funds without unnecessary delays. If you can see this notification, all I have to do now is simple. I want you to complete this step by clicking this yellow button and you will be forwarded to this one. You need to confirm your email address, which I did, confirm the phone number, which I did, and of course, last is adding a profile information. All we have to do now is click the Complete Now button and you would see you need to provide all the information needed. Make sure all information matches your official documents to avoid verification issues later. You need to enter your full legal name, date of birth, country of residence, residential address, and phone number. And all I have to do now, once confirmed, click the Continue button. Now, you can choose the purpose of opening your account. You can choose investment, hedging, speculation, and just click the Continue button. And then you will be asked your current employment status, employed full-time, employed part-time, freelancer, business owner, retired. It's up to you. Remember, let's say we're freelancer, you choose the industry, let's say accountancy, audit, and tax, click the Continue button. You have to answer all these as much as you can. After submission, Exness will review your information and documents. Verification times can vary, but you'll usually receive an email notification once the review is complete. You can also monitor the verification status from your personal area dashboard. Once it's completed, you will see that there is going to be a small notification stating that your account has been fully verified. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to complete your Exness profile. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.